Hello viewers, welcome to Masterbyte Educational Solution. Today I want us to learn examples under the difference or the relationship between indices and what? Logarithm. Now, but before we do this, let us know when an equation is in index form or in logarithm what form. Do you know that if you are given 10 raised to power a is equal to 100, this is in index what form? Now, to change this 10 raised to power a to equal to 100 to logarithm form is going to be log 100 base 10 is equal to what? A. This one is in what? Logarithm form. Whereas also, if you have 3 raised to power y is equal to 27, this is in index form, in indices form. But if you want to change it to logarithm form, it's something as log 27 base 3 is equal to what? Y. Now let's solve the following examples, knowing how to change from indices to what? Logarithm. Now, the first question here says log 81 base 3 is equal to what? K. Now let's change this logarithm to what? Index what form. In index one, this is certain as 3 raised to power k is equal to what? 81. Now we are going to have 3 raised to power k is equal to what? How many 3 are we going to raise? How many times are we going to raise to give us 3 to give us what? 81. 4 times 3 raised to power 4 is the same thing as what? 81. Because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 into 4 places will give us what? 81. Now having the same what? Base, our k is equal to what? 4 as your what? Answer. Meaning that your log 81 base 3 is equal to k is equal to what? 4 as your what? Answer. Now the second example says log 1 over 27 base 3 is equal to what? Y. Now let's change this logarithm form to index form so that we can solve. Now this thing is something as 3 raised to power y is equal to 1 over what? 27. But we know that 1 over 27 is the same thing as what? 27 raised to power minus what? 1. According to our laws of what? Indices. Now we are having 3 raised to power y is equal to how many 3 are you going to raise? How many times are you going to raise 3 to give you 27? 3 times. So this is something as 3 raised to power 3 bracket minus what? 1. So we are going to have 3 raised to power y is equal to, let's open the bracket, 3 times minus 1 will give us 3 raised to power what? Minus what? 3. Now, since the base are the same, the answer is going to be what? Y is equal to what? Minus 3 as your what? Answer. Now the second example, the third example, if you look at it, you're having a base of 0.5, but we need to change this logarithm form to index what form. Now let's watch. Now we're having to change to index form, we're going to have 0.5 raised to power what? X is equal to what? 32. Now we need to change this 0.5 into fraction so that we can solve. Now if we change into fraction, we're going to have, if we move from the decimal point to the right, it's going to be what? 1 places. From here we are going to have what? 1. So we have here to be what? 5 over 10 raised to power what? X equals to what? 32. Now 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So this will be 1 over 2 raised to power x is equal to what? 32. Now this 1 over 2 is something as well, 2 raised to power minus 1 bracket x according to our what? According to our indices. Now how many times are we going to raise 2 to give us what? 32? 5 times, which is 2 raised to power what? 5. Now if you open this bracket, you are going to have here to be what? 2 raised to power minus x is equal to what? 2 raised to power 5. Now since the base is the same, we'll pick the power, which is minus x is the same thing as what? 5. Meaning that our x is equal to what? Minus 5 as our what? Answer. Thank you for listening. Do remember to follow us on our Facebook page at Masterbyte Educational Solution, and also try to subscribe on our YouTube pages at Masterbyte Educational Solution. Do have a lovely day.